Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to use the translate and the text-to-speech extension which is available in the Scratch. So we can get started off with our today's sprite, which could be a person. So we can go on to choose Max. So Max could be our sprite for today. So to start off with, we can go on to the extension library, start the text-to-speech extension. I'm going to go to events and take whenever the green flag is clicked, and I'm going to add a sensing block which is ask what's your name. Now this text to speech extension is going to convert the entire text to the speech. So it's asking me for my name. Yeah, now I'm going to go to text to speech block and add a speak block here and go on to sensing and add the answer, so that it is actually converting the answer which I'm entering speech. So maybe I can have it as Max.
Max.
Yes, this works. And to continue on, maybe we can add a wait block and go on to add one more ask block, which could be how is your day. Now we can again go on to the text to speech and then take a speak block, and to speak the answer, it's very important that you add an answer block here so that it works. Now
Max.
Entering the answer and it's asking how's your day. So maybe I can add so far.
So good so far.
Yes, so this is a one simple method to use the text to speech extension. Next we can go on to add the translate extension. We'll see how to do that. I'm going to go here and add it. Now we can go on to events and take when the sprite click block, because we have already used when the green flag is clicked. Now we'll see how to translate. Now we can go on to sensing and add a ask block which says what do you want to translate. Yeah, so it's asking me what do you want to translate. It's important that we go to the extension of translate and take this block, and we can go on to looks and take a say block, so that it is going to say the translated answer to a particular language. Maybe for example, we can go on to choose German. So we'll see if this works. So I'm going to click on Max and it's asking me hello, and it's a translation word of the word. Now maybe I can say good morning, and it translates for me. So this is another simple way of using the translate extension, and hope you can add in your thoughts to it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.